Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can install Wireshark on our Windows 11 device. Now we just need to open a browser and then search and download Wireshark. Wireshark is free, so let's go ahead and search for it here. Let's say Wireshark. Then we'll need to go to wireshark.org, or you can click on download. Once you get to this page, you have the option to read the release notes if you want to, but let's scroll down, and this is the installer right here for Windows PCs. So you have an installer here for Windows PCs, and this is the release version is 4.6.4. I'm just gonna click on this installer, and the download should be quick. It's not a big file size. Okay, and it's done. So I'll close this. I'm gonna open File Explorer here. Under Downloads, you should see Wireshark. Now to install it, just double click on it. Yes. Next. Noted. Next. I'm just gonna go with all the defaults here. If you want to have the shortcut on your desktop, you can select this option. I'm just gonna go with this one to have it on my start menu. Then next. So here we see we have USB capture. So if you're gonna be capturing USB traffic, you'll need to check this option. I'm not gonna be capturing any USB traffic, so I'm not selecting that. Click install. Okay, I'll click on agree, and then you have these options here. So if you want to support 802.11 traffic, so this is for wireless adapters, you can select this. And then if you need WIN pickup, I'm just going to select these ones here. And if you want to restrict and pickup drivers to administrators only, you can select this option. So I'll click on install. I'll click on next, click on finish. Next. Okay, so in order for you to finish the installation of Wireshark, you will need to reboot. So I'm just gonna reboot later, finish. And let's search for Wireshark here, see if it's there. So this is the app. Okay, now you'll see the interfaces that are actively showing any traffic. You'll see the traffic here. So I have all these interfaces. Some of them are virtual interfaces. So I'm only seeing traffic on my Wi-Fi interface. So to capture traffic, you have to select the interface, and then you can right click and then start capture, or you can click on this to start the capture. Okay, and there you are. And then to stop the capture, just click on that, and you've captured some traffic on your network. Now there's many things you can do with your capture. You can filter, you can dig into, you can drill into some of the packets here. So you have different packets. You have layer 1, layer 2, which is going to show you the MAC addresses, source and destination. You have the layer 3, which is going to show you the source and destination IP addresses right here. You have your application, which if you drill down, you'll see what kind of application it is, as well as the source port, destination port. Okay, depending on what application or what server you're accessing. And for filtering, if you want to filter, you'll need to know what to type in here in order to filter, or you can click on one of the packets, right click, go to apply as a filter or prepare as a filter, and then you can say selected, and now you have a filter. In this case, the filter says to only show packets with a source IP that matches this. So there's different filters you can use here, and then you can save the capture by clicking on this file, save as. So that's all for this video. That's how you can install Wireshark on a Windows 11 device. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.